What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to extract zip files on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, you'll need to locate the Files app on your iPhone. This is where all your documents and downloads are stored. If you haven't already done so, ensure the zip file you wish to extract is saved within the Files app. This might involve downloading the zip file directly to your iPhone, or, if it's already on your device, simply share it with the Files app for easy access. Once your zip file is in the Files app, use the search bar or browse through your folders to find the zip file. The moment you locate the zip file, simply tap on it to extract it. Your iPhone will automatically unzip the file, creating a new folder with the same name as the zip file, where you can find all the uncompressed files. There is no need for third-party apps or complicated processes. It's all built in the functionality of your iPhone for your convenience. After extraction, simply open this new folder to access the files. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.